Hey YouTube, what's up today? Quick little project. Table saw, infeed table, outfeed. So I wanted something to help me support sheets of plywood. So I made up this, doesn't matter size, it's arbitrary, shape arbitrary. All it is I happen to have an anchor fence on my table saw, but you could figure some way to mount this to your saw. Got this angle, what's it called? Offset angle zinc plate, and it's, got holes all over it. So what I did was I mounted that to my rail, you see here, and you see that spot right there and that spot right there. They line up with dowels that are in the bottom of this plywood, and it just lines up and drops in, and that's it. And in the back end is an adjustable leg, and that leg folds up when you don't want to use it. Folds down. It's adjustable. It's pretty solid. I'll have to really give it a going over with a sheet, but it's about 42 inches out from the front of my saw to the back of this. Again, arbitrary, width arbitrary. That cutout just helps you kind of get close to it. Size, this happens to be, 24 inches wide. Again, arbitrary, whatever you want. Hey, I hope this helps you out. Be safe in your shop, on your job site.